Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are diving into a certain classic which is perfect for snack, game day, and a lazy afternoon. Boiled peanut. Let's start cooking. Our star ingredients is raw peanuts. I'm using 1 pan. Add enough water to wash your peanuts. This is optional, but I like washing it. It all depends on the type of peanuts you have available. Since it's raw, I prefer washing mine because of some dirt. Just lightly wash with some salt. The salt part is optional. Cooked peanuts are very soft, tender, and incredibly additive. Do you know the best part about cooking peanuts? They are super easy to make at home. You will need a large pot or pan to cook this your peanut. That is something big enough to contain all your peanuts. So just rinse it just a little, then pour your rinsed peanut into a big pot. Since I'm using 1 pan, this pot is perfect. Add a room temperature water enough to cook your peanut. The most important thing about cooking peanut is salt. I'm using 1 pan of peanuts, and I'm also using 1 tablespoon of salt to season my peanuts, or groundnut as we call it in my country. So cover this and allow this to cook in the medium heat. If you want it to be a little bit crunchy, you are going to need to cook this for about 1 hour 30 minutes. But if you want it to be super soft and tender, you are going to need to cook your peanuts for 2 to 3 hours. Take a note, you can check your peanuts as the peanuts start cooking. Maybe 1 hour later, you can check it. If it's perfect for your taste, how you want your cooked peanuts to taste, you can feel free to remove it from the stove. But I want mine to be a little bit crunchy but very soft, not too salty. The salt was perfect for this peanut. Will you be trying this? Let me know if you really like a boiled peanut or a cooked peanut. I'm so addicted to this recipe. I remember when I was growing up, this cooked peanut is quite actually a seasoned thing in my country. There's a time it's very popular. You find it at every corner of the street, but sometimes you find it a little once in a while in the street. So it's a seasonal snacks that you can find in my country, and it's very, very delicious, super easy to prepare, that you do not need much ingredients for it. You only need your star ingredient, which is your raw peanuts or your raw granite, and salt to give it that lovely taste, that super flavor taste of boiled peanuts or cooked granules as we call it. Once they have reached your desired tenderness, turn off the heat and drain your peanuts just the way I'm doing in the video. Then you have that a perfect boiled peanut or a perfect cooked tender granite. So this is the outcome. I can't wait to start eating it. You can see it looks very cooked and very tender, the way I want my peanut to taste. Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video. I'll see you in my next cooking adventure. Please remember to share the video and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get more updates of my next delicious recipe. See you soon.